Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to explain about how to host a static website using EC2 instance. You can see that I am already inside AWS console, and just we have to search for EC2 instance. Here you see, here we have to click. Then next step is like we have to go and click on the search of EC2 instance. Here you can see. Then we have to click on the launch instance. Here right side top we you can see launch instance there, and there we have to click. Then we have to choose free trial only, and for host static website we have to choose Amazon Linux 2 AMI HBM SDD volume type. Then we click on select. Then we have to click T2 micro. They already clicked here. Then we have to click next instant configuration. See that step 3 is configure instant detail. There we have to not change anything, just we have to go for next. See here root volume. If you want to add any volume you can add, otherwise you can go for next. See here click add rule, add tag. This is from this if you want to add the tag you can click here add tag, otherwise you go for the next configure. This is the configure security group. In this we have to careful, like we have to choose HTTP, where it is here HTTP. Wait one second. This is 1 minute. We have to add rule. We have to click on HTTP. Then we have to, for source we have to change it in anywhere. Then we have to review and launch. Then you can see that whatever you add it will show in this. Then we have to hit on launch button. Then we have to add a key pair. Just you have to create new key, just give some name like exam I will give. Then from here we have to click on download key pair, just, and the key pair left hand side it will be download, you can see. Then we have to click on launch instance. Here you see it successfully, your instance is now launching. Okay, then we have to click on view instance. Then see here it is in pending, we have to wait. It is in pending state. It will be active. See, now it's in running state. Then click on the instant ID. Then now copy the public IPv4 DNS. This we have to copy. successfully copy. Now we have to open putty and puttygen. Putty and puttygen. I will tell you for puttygen first. Click on the conversion button first. Then we have to click on import key. Then what we downloaded, just choose the downloaded key. Then save it into private. And now we have to select and we have to open. And we have to save it into here. You can see save it into private key. This warning will come. We have to save. Save the file name at exam. Exam. And we have to close this puttygen. Then now we can open the putty and connect to EC2 instance for hosting our static page. Then we have to paste where it is. From host name. Now here we can paste the IPv4 DNS what we copied. Just we have to paste. Then we have to click on left side expand. We have to click on SSH. Then we have to click on auth. Then we have to where is that one? Auth. Then we have to browse. See this. And just we have to open. We should accept the policy what will come. Then now it asking for login user. Okay. Then now it asking login as, so we can give the EC2 user here. Now it enter into root mode from user mode. To come in root mode, we will use sudo su command, and now we are in root mode. Now we are in root modes. Now run few query to install Apache server. To install Apache server, use yum install httpd stupid query. You can see that, and just we have to type y, press enter. And now Apache server is successfully installed. Now you can see that it's completed. Now go to the index.html file in Apache server and change the content like cd backslash, press enter, then cd usr share httpd no index, enter, then type to see index.html, type ls. See, index.html is now showing. Now just change the content in index.html and run your website. Then we have to do vi index.html. Then press I. It is come in insert mode. Then we have to, we can insert anything. Title. We can insert anything. This page of Akash. Then we can change anything in this. Then we have to give escape. Then type shift colon WQ. Then now we have to restart the HTTP server using sudo systemctl restart httpd. Enter. Now we have to go to instance. Yeah, we can hit to the open address. It's loading. We have to wait for a few seconds. Wait a second. Have to move this. Enter. See, now you can see my test page is completely running. This is the way to how to host the static website using EC2 instance. Thank you so much.